boy. Hey, what's up y'all? It's me, Jenny here. Today is quick tip day and I have got a quick tip for you. So, all of you folks who spend a lot of money on beauty blenders, because I believe it's like $25, you can actually take one of these sponges. Remember these old school sponges? You can soak it in water and believe it or not, it acts like a beauty blender. And this has been an old trick for a very long time, since even before beauty blenders were even created. So there you have it. That is my quick tip for you. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe all down below, or you can catch me on all my social media, which is right here, or you can catch me on my last video, which is right here, or you can subscribe to my channel. Just click on my face right here. I upload videos every Fridays, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.